and that during development had a hole on the left side. So all the intestine which are supposed to be in the abdomen went into the chest. Naturally, the heart was shifted to the right side to accommodate for the intestine. Now the lung on the left side was compressed. Lung on the right side was also compressed because of the shift of heart. Now when this situation occurred, the baby cannot survive without a artificial ventilation. So baby was put on ventilator, though this was not diagnosed before birth. They did an X-ray and it was detected after birth. So the baby was put on ventilator, and then what happened? Then decision had to be made. Now prematurity itself of 500 gram has got very difficult chance of survival unless extreme good care is taken. Now we have doctors who have done this in past, and babies have survived. But this baby with the problem which is more serious than a heart problem, he will be in the hospital for at least 7 to 8 months. Depends. If the weight starts increasing, he responds very well to the feeding that is given. Then the baby can be discharged earlier also. See, this is a disease called as congenital diaphragmatic hernia. And this type of babies are born one in 5,000 deliveries.